If you're heading for vacation, then you can stand to be uncomfortable for a little while.
Yes.
Okay. Good point. And Esther, what about you? What do you think of the quality of air travel?
I think better than train or is better than train or better than the bus, right? So
okay.
But when we have the high speed train in Taiwan, I think the quality of the travel maybe same as the air travel. So I think the some maybe is the one question about the quality. I think it's very noisy about the machine. Do you know?
Okay.
What I mean?
Do you think it's very noisy?
Yes.
Yes. When yes, you hear what's going on in the engine and the propellers and everything of the plane.
It's about the radical shape.
Okay. Remember what we had the word radical. Here's the word radical. Something far beyond what is normal. Okay, so something very different looking.
Okay.
Okay, so will futuristic machines always have a very different look to them? Will they look very different?
Okay.
Will they have a very different shape?
Yeah, I think it will be because to reduce the I mean in order to reduce the fuel to use the vertical shaft will be developed in different types in the future, I think.
Okay. So you think that they will be radical looking, but also very just different than they do now?
Yeah.
They will look different than they do now. Okay.
Yeah.
Could you draw what you think they will look like? Do you have an idea? Just very different.
I have saw the from the TV some new type will be development in the future. It's not use the fuel, but use the sunshine the sunshine to be the how to say yeah. I mean the future traffic will be used some energy, not use the fuel. Yeah.
Okay.